Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking your loadout and positioning immediately. Choose a mobility frame and an element that pierces Nightreign's shields. Once done, clear the nearest adds fast to prevent staggered stacks, and make sure to keep 3 recovery items and ammo synths on hand. Move to the left flank, bait a single patrol to isolate it, and then sprint to the central platform to force Augur into its opening pattern. This sets the entire fight tempo. Once Augur enters its mid-phase, focus on disrupting casts with short burst combos so you can exploit the DPS window that follows. When you see the red beam telegraph, peel off and kite for about 3 seconds. This prevents heavy interrupts to your party. Make sure to cycle through environmental cover between heavy attacks to reset enrage and clear ad swarms. Coordinating these movements with your team keeps pressure high, while minimizing risk of mechanic resets. In the final phase, you pile up damage on Augur's weak point during the last 10%. Use specials and heavy ammo together to burst it down. Rotate defenders to bait terminal abilities and reserve 1 revive for a clutch recovery, because a single wipe can cost the momentum. If the fight spirals, reset deliberately. Pull Augur back to the spawn platform, reapply your opening sequence, and run the mechanic cycle cleanly. This fallback clears corruption and restores control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.